Hi everyone, good evening. I am sharing you guys this video. This is about Suzuki pickup Scrum. We are putting guys the differential of this four-wheel drive front differential. Mostly pull out. As you can see the you can see the axle assembly and the motor. The mechanics here is helping each other to pull out the front differential guys so that it can be finished and be run out. The problem of this is the noisy. Very noisy when you have load, because the bushing of the front differential is cracked and wear out. That's why you need to replace the rubber bands. So to do that, we must pull out first the differential assembly and bring to the machine shop to install the new rubber.